start. This civil revision petition is directed against the order dated 2 April 2006 passed by the Principal Senior Civil Judge Tirupati in IA number 607 of 2005 stop. I have heard both the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the parties stop. The impugned order relates to amendment of plaint filed under Order 6, Rule 17 and Section 151 of CPC, Rule 28 of Civil Rules of Practice by the plaintiff in a suit for partition claiming half share in the schedule mentioned property to include some more properties which are said to be liable for partition between the parties which were not discovered by the respondent at the time of filing of the suit, since she was given in a marriage to a person residing in the state of Tamil Nadu and has been living there since long time stop. The petition was opposed by the revision petitioners on the ground that the entire ancestral joint family properties were apportioned under a partition list dated 15 April 1985 and the properties sought to be annexed to the schedule by means of amendment fell to the share of the second defendant and they are his self acquired properties stop. It was also contended by the revision petitioners that the amendment petition has been prompted by malafides and the same was filed after a long lapse of 4 years, obviously with a view to protract the litigation to harass the revision petitioners stop. The learned trial court thought that the questions as to whether there was any partition in the properties fell to the second petitioner has to be decided during the course of the trial in the main suit and the proposed amendment will not alter the nature of the suit or cause of action if it is allowed and accordingly allowed the amendment petition by imposing costs of rupees 500 on the respondent because inordinate delay occurred in filing the amendment petition stop. A plain reading of Order 6, Rule 17 of CPC indicates that the object in allowing the amendments is for the purpose of determining the real questions in controversy between the parties and if the court thinks that such amendment is necessary, it may at any stage of the proceeding allow either party to alter or amend the pleadings in such manner and on such terms stop. The proviso lays down that the court shall not entertain the application for amendment after the trial has commenced stop.